If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can join my glam fam. In today's video, I'm showing you this pink summer colorful inspired look right here before we get into all of the back to school videos, all of the fall makeup videos, which I love, but I love dipping into my colorful palettes. I definitely am scared sometimes, but we definitely pulled off this look today. So if you want to learn how I got this look right here, be sure to stick around. The hair is put up and we are ready to start the look. So for primer today, I'm actually not really going in with one just because I have moisturized my face and I put a bunch of serums on it recently this morning, as you can tell. And like right here is super red just because I'm crazy dry right now for some reason. But for my base, I want to go lighter, not heavy, just because I'm doing a bright bold eye. And I don't want to attempt to take it off in like an hour just because it's so sticky and heavy on my skin. We're going to go in with the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I thought I couldn't find a foundation brush, but I ended up finding one. So we're just going in with a random foundation brush that I've had forever. I need to get a new one. I have like a bunch of freckles from the summer, which I guess is a good thing. I've really been trying to tan like the heck out of my skin just so I'm like really tan for winter, and I'm not pale and white as a ghost, but as you can tell, I still am. As you can tell, kind of like it's really streaky. So I'm just going in with the Morphe Beauty Sponge, and this is like the red one that has the little tip on it. So basically, this does not really cover a lot. It just like smooths out your tones. I just went in with the new Morphe concealer. It is the bomb. Morphe setting spray. I feel like if you lather setting spray on to kind of like set in your different layers you put on, it will definitely stay longer and not rub off like on your clothes. Now I'm going in with Bassy or Baby Beauty Bronzer Palette. I love this palette since I've used it in my last video. These two shades are the bomb. Shade and Light contour palette. Grabbing this banana shade right here. We're gonna pop on some brows. So I'm actually gonna finish off my brows with this new eyebrow gel that I got. It's the clear Morphe one, and we're gonna see if this stuff is good. Kinda smells funky, but that's okay. So the main palette that we're obviously going to use today is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, just because it has a bunch of pinks in there and a lot of good tones, as you can tell. So with the eyeshadow, I'm kind of going in like a half circle motion, just because the eyeshadow I kind of want to be like an oval shape, and then I'm going to do like the wing eyeliner, so then it won't be too like drawn out and it won't be too round either. So we're gonna go in with like a little more pink shade. now we have the pink just all drawn together, and then we're gonna take like a fuchsia and do the eyeliner. Actually, I think we're gonna do the sparkly on the inside and then do the eyeliner so the eyeliner doesn't get any sparkles on it. So first we're gonna go in with the Bling Boss palette by Jaclyn Hill in the Volt collection, and we're gonna go in with Bling Bling. And I'm actually taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit palette, and I'm gonna go in with this pink one right here. I'm just placing that one like kind of more lower just on the lid. Stunning. Cute. Now I think I'm gonna put a pop of color. Well, we have a bunch of pop color, but like a pop of purple kind of on the lower lash line. So I added it kind of in the middle, and then I like smoked out the pink with it. Now it's so cute. We're gonna pop on some lashes for lashes today. We're using the Lil's lashes in the style Char. Lashes are on, and it completely made this look cute. Now we just need to add on some lips. So for lips today, I'm going in with more of a nude just because my eyes are so bold and so colorful. So I'm going in with Morphe Backseat Love Lip Liner. And I just put it all over my lips, so now they are solid and very cute. Last but not least, we're going in with some more setting spray. How did you guys like this look? I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed. I love you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well if you want to be a part of my glam fam and learn more about makeup. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. Love the cars. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh my gosh, I thought my eyelash fell off.